and we noticed that there was smoke coming out of the separation area.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, I would really like if you would subscribe. Alright, now back to the video.
So when I went around the front, I seen the smoke was coming out of the bin area. It was then we decided that we would open up the bin to see if the fire was under there. While we was opening up the bin, smoke increased enough that we knew we had more than just smoke. So I thought we would call the fire department now, even though we had a water extinguisher, and we also had another fire extinguisher that we usually can get fires out, just in case when we opened up the bin it caught air and it burst into flame. Then we would be behind too far to save the machine. So we called the fire department, and they came about the time we got the bin open, and we found that there was a bearing that had gotten hot, and there was a lot of dust, and it was smoking. It never did burst into flame, but we were ready for it. The fire department came, we got water to the hose, and we started digging, and we ended up just washing all the dust and the dirt out from underneath the bin area. As far as damage, this time there was no damage. It was just a hot bearing. So we consider it to be an act of God that the machine had actually broke down there, and we had worked on it for a couple hours until we started smelling the smoke. Had it not broke down at that location, we would have walked away because we would have been done for the day, and then we would have lost the machine through the night. The fire happened at about 7 o'clock in the evening, but we had actually broke down at about 4 in the afternoon, and we were in the process of fixing the machine when we smelled the smoke. The reason the machine broke down is because we were crossing a waterway, and on the mud hog axle they have a bolt pattern that's out by the wheel. Previously a broken bolt we weren't aware of. When we crossed over the waterway, it shore the rear wheel off the axle. So it was quite a process to dig down and jack up and get the wheel back on. And we were short a couple of bolts, so we were not able to move the machine away from the site. We weren't able to take it to a water hose, and that's one of the reasons we called the fire department, just to wash the machine out so that we didn't have any sparks burned after we had left the machine.
I hope you enjoyed this short film detailing our corn harvest. A special thanks to all those that made it possible, including, but not limited to, Alan, Anthony, Austin, Doris, Elisha, Enoch, Ezekiel, Ezra, Julia, Levon, Lauren, Lynette, Samuel, Sarah, Vernon. This film could not have been made without your help, so on behalf of my channel, I, Leon Weaver, thank you. And to those of you watching, thank you for supporting my films. Until next time, God bless. Oh, I almost forgot. The bloopers. Enjoy.